So next up, I want to show you how you can change your voice with AI.
And speak with a different voice.
And we can also speak in Spanish.
Y también tenemos la posibilidad de hablar en español.
And we can do all that with one AI. And this AI is all about audio. So let's dive in. And the AI is called Elevenlabs. You will also find the link below this video and you can sign up for free and try it out. And it has been around since pretty much the beginning of AI, and their focus is audio. Of course, they're putting more and more features in, but mainly when you think of audio, like an audio AI, I think of Elevenlabs. So just go ahead, click on the link down below, and then you can sign up for free and try it out. And once you've signed up, you will land on this screen here. And here you pretty much have the different features you can use from the AI. So you have the instant speech feature to generate voices, and you can also create audiobooks and even podcast conversation with the AI. Now they added images and videos, but I will show you different AIs in this course, which you can also use for that. And even music you can also generate with Elevenlabs, but I also showed you Zuno AI, and I think it's a little bit better than this one. And what I like the most, because I use it most often, is the dubbed video feature, because you can take, for example, an English speaking video and just dub it in Spanish. So this is pretty cool. I will first show you the main feature, the voice generation, and then I will also show you the dub feature, because I think it's pretty cool. If you have a video tutorial or anything else like a corporate video, you can translate it into different languages. So let's go ahead and click on instant speech, and here you can just type in whatever you want to say. For example, I created a prompt here. Hey, I'm Julian and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt. And here on the right side you have different voices. So for example, here you have American voices, and you can just listen into them. So you can just click on play.
A tidy kitchen is a happy place to...
A business is only as successful as its people are happy.
So you can listen to the sound of the voice, but you can also just filter by different collections, or here click on filter. So these were my voices, but you can also go on the Explore page, and here you can select different languages, for example. So for example, if I would need a German voice, I can just select the German voice, or an English voice, and then I can select an English voice. And the accent should be British or American, and I have different categories, for example, narration, conversational tone, social media, entertainment, or educational. So I don't know, let's go with conversational. And of course the gender, you can have neutral gender, female or male. So let's go with male for this example. And you can even select the age, so a young man, a middle-aged man, or an old man. And then you can just go ahead and play it.
When you focus on what you can control.
Don't like this one much.
You ever get that feeling like...
I like this one a lot. So then you can just click on it, and then it will take you to this page here. And here you can select the speed, so how fast the person is speaking. Normally it is at 1, and this will be then conversational. But if you need a quicker voice for your ad or whatever you're doing, you can make it faster. The next one is stability, and you can always hover over it. So increasing the stability will make your voice more consistent between regenerations. So when you regenerate and make a new text, then the voice will be more consistent, but it can be also make it a little bit more monotone, and therefore for longer text you should lower this value a little bit. But let's keep it as is. And next one is also similarity, and when you hire this, it has an enhancement boost of overall voice clarity and target speaker similarity, but I will also just keep it as is. And style exaggeration is also when you want the person to just to be more exaggerated, so when they should be more creative with their voice. But it's already at 29%. Maybe we'll make this a little bit higher to get like a more creative voice out of it. So yeah, just get yourself familiar with this, but the default values are normally okay. I usually just play around with the speed. But let's hit generate the voice.
Hey, I am Julian and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt.
I think it's okay. It could be a little bit more exaggerated. So let's go.
Hey, I am Julian, and I want to show you how to generate AI voices.
And it sounds a little bit like an AI voices, so I will lower the stability and maybe a little bit less here.
Hey, I am Julian, and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt.
So as you could hear, it is way better. So let's lower the stability a little more.
Hey, I am Julian, and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt.
So I think this was perfect. This sounded like a human being. So the stability really matters here, because if you increase the stability, it can be very monotone. And if we lowered it now, it sounds good. But sometimes you also just need to click on regenerate the speech a couple of times. But I think right now we have a good voice here. And then you can just click on download here and put it into your editing program and put it under your, I don't know, B-roll or whatever project you're doing. Or a lot of people also using it for social media to comment on themselves in their next reel. And yeah, they use mostly Elevenlabs because it's the best AI right now for voices. And just get yourself familiar with that, so you can just browse through their catalog of voices. You can also give it your own sound bites and it will generate a voice of your own voice. Therefore, just go on voices and then you can create your own voice up here, and you can have an instant clone of your voice. So you can just go ahead and record an audio, for example, 2 minutes. So I would just go ahead. Hey, I'm Julian Weber and I'm doing this online course about AI tools. Usually I also make YouTube videos, and I just want to clone my voice here with Elevenlabs to show you how it works. And I just need to keep on talking because it needs 30 seconds of my voice. So let's continue to talk about the weather. Maybe today it was a little bit rainy and a little cloudy, and hopefully tomorrow the sun will come out and the people are a little bit happier. So now it has some voice snippet of myself, and then we can just click next. And I would just give it my name, Julian, and the language was English, and I can give it a description and then save the voice. I will just give it Julian 2 because I don't know how many I already created with Elevenlabs. Just click save, and be aware this feature can be on the Pro plan. I'm not sure because I have Elevenlabs on the Pro plan. I think it's on the Pro plan, but you can try it out for free via the link below this video. And if you need to upgrade, you can upgrade then. So try out your new voice, generate speech. So I can go back, have Julian selected here. Let's put down the stability a little bit more, and then let's click generate speech, and it should be in my voice. So I shut up now and let's see how it sounds. Hey, I am Julian and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt. It was okay. I don't know if it was exactly my sound, but let's go on style creation a little bit more. Hey, I am Julian and I want to show you how to generate AI voices with a single prompt. Pretty much my voice, I think. So yeah, this is how you can even create your own voice and put it into Elevenlabs, and then whatever text you want to have, just type it in. You can also put a full audiobook in there and your voice is reading out the text. So I think it's perfect. Let's go back on home. So this was the instant speech feature, and before we go to the dubbing station here, let's check out the audiobook here, because here you can also just make your own audiobook. You can just upload like a full document, like a Word document, and then it reads out the full text, so your audiobook, either with your own voice or with a professional voice. And you can also create a podcast. So they have a lot of different features. You can also remove background noises from existing videos. You can add captions to something, but I will maybe also show you a different tool for that. But yeah, mainly audio and background noise reduction and voiceovers. So when you think of audio, always think of Elevenlabs. And yeah, you have here under studio, you have the different things you can do, and they are building up on this. So when I started out using this tool back in 2025, they had just text to speech, but now they have a very valuable tool for me as a YouTuber, the dubbing tool. So here you can just create a dub and you can just upload a video here. So I will just upload this, for example. It can't be bigger than 1 gigabyte, but you can also just link a YouTube video, a TikTok video, and then you can translate it into your own language. So either you have your own video or your company has like a marketing video, then you can just put it here, upload it, and you tell it what the original is, or it can automatically detect it. But in this case, it was English. And then I want to have it translated in Spanish, let's say. And there's one thing you always should do, the numbers of speakers. In this case, it's just me because I'm the presenter, and then I can just select dubbing this video. And of course, it always uses up some credits. So in this case, 6,000 credits for the dub, and let's hit on create. And now it's uploading the video to Elevenlabs. And what it does right now, it will download my voice file. It will clone my voice. Then it will translate the transcript, and then it will make a Spanish version of this video, which I think is fascinating. There you can see what is possible with this AI. It's like really, really nice. And it changed my YouTube game forever because now I can make YouTube videos for the entire world. so to say. So let's wait, it's uploading, then it will be translating. So now it has dubbed the video for us in Spanish. I downloaded it for us and now we can listen to it.
Estaba buscando un código de cupón de descuento para Base 44 y curiosamente fui a YouTube y simplemente escribí descuento Base 44.
So I think this is crazy because this is me, my voice, speaking in Spanish. And this wasn't possible before AI. So I want you to note that this is like the coolest thing for YouTubers because now you can make it like a cooking video or a video about, I don't know, your hobby project. And then you can make it in Spanish, in Portuguese, in Italian, in I don't know, in Dutch, in German. So there's pretty much every language you can think of or which is popular. You can even make it in Mandarin or Chinese or Japanese here. Mandarin and Chinese is the same, sorry. But in Japanese, in Indonesian, in Turkish, in Swedish, in Filipino, Malaya, Romanian, and I don't know. It's like you have a full list of languages you can choose from. The possibilities are endless for you. If you use this, you can really branch out in all nations with this feature and you can just click on the button here and create a video for you. I think this is perfect. I love it. I use it pretty much every day to translate my videos. And yeah, these were the main features. You can also go the other way around. So if you have a video and you want the transcript, speech to text it's called, then you can also just get the text, the transcript, and more features. So everything like audio related, like voices, your own voice cloning, audiobooks, podcast voices, or narrations, or yeah, the dubbing feature, speaking different languages. This is all in Elevenlabs, and it also has music, but I will also show you a different tool later on, which is also good for music generation. And yeah, try it out. You can try it out for free. You get a full list of credits, and if you need more, then of course you need to upgrade. Every software tool at some point costs something, but with the free trial gives you at least some credits to use. So see you in the next video. Bye.